Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing what I'm hoping is a lot of motorcycles. It's basically about 5 of them. I bought them for a very cheap price, about $5 plus like $5 or $6 shipping, you know. So, and it's really some really cool ones. There's a Welly one in there, and usually Welly brand don't go for no less than 11 bucks for just one. So, you know, it seemed like a really nice deal. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we have here. So I have my trusty box cutter, and I also have my scissors. So without further ado, here we go. Alright guys, seems to be a little bit of tape, so I'm just gonna go ahead and puncture through this. Alright. Okay, so seem to have this open. We have a piece of tape here, so I'll go ahead and cut it with my scissors. And also got a little bit of bubble wrap. Here we have the first one. And it's this one right here. And basically this is a Honda. Very nice. It's very shiny, by the way. I'll bring it close to the camera so we can take a good look. I believe this is Welly, probably. Just taking a good look. Yep, it sure is Welly. So this one here alone is worth some money. If you go on eBay and you look this up, I saw one more of these there because it's a rare one, and it was costing somebody in Europe. Basically, it was about maybe $25 or so, plus like $30-$40 shipping. It was something crazy like that, you know. But again, it's a really rare one. You rarely see this. Also, it feels very stiff. Nothing flimsy at all, by the way. Very well done. You know, Welly always does great motorcycles. I really like Welly's motorcycles a lot. Alright, so we'll set that one down. Let's see what we have next. Okay, this one here is... Okay, this one here, it's this fell off, but it's not a big deal. I can put this back on with no problem. This one here is a KTM 450. What is this? 450 EXC. I already have this one though. You know, that's the thing about it. So I knew I had this one, so this will be a repeat. I'll probably just give this one away to my nephew or something, you know. So yeah, so I'll put this one to the side. I mean, I'm not even 1000% sure that I already have it or not. I need to double check, but you know, I have a few KTM dirt bikes, so I have a feeling I already have it, but I guess I'll find out later on. Here we have I believe it's a Maisto. Let me see a tag. This is a Pugut. I don't know how to pronounce the brand too well. I think it's called Pugut. And this is called a Elisel. It's basically a moped. I mainly bought this lot because of the mopeds. I believe this is the kickstand right here, and sure it is. And there we have the moped. Very nice one. Really like that one. Okay, here we have another moped. And I believe this one here is another Pugut. Nice. So it's two Pugut mopeds. That's pretty cool. Looks very nice. This type of lights remind me a lot of Yamaha's, by the way, too, the way they do their lights. But okay, so what's the next one? And again, this is another moped. Now, I'm not into collecting mopeds like that, but this was a great deal when I saw it. So this one here is also, what's it called? Can't really tell what the brand of this is. Not too sure what the brand of this one is. So yeah, so I can't really say what this one is, but yeah, guys. So not bad for just a quick find, a nice little quick eBay auction. It just went for $5 and $5 shipping. Some nice, really rare motorcycles here. I really like the Welly. That's the main reason why I bought it. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna wrap the video up right here. Hope you guys like the video and like the footage of these items. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. with that, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to working on the next diecast car or diecast motorcycle video. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and until the next one, I'm outie, guys. Peace.